Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, I am Pir Hafizullah BHS Jaggerpora. You all are aware that we are dealing with the chapter Democracy and Diversity. We have read 3 to 4 subtopics of the chapter, and our today's topic is effects of social divisions on politics. Effects of social divisions on politics. Dear students, in politics there is always a competition between political parties. If these political parties use this competition in support of some social divisions, it can lead to political divisions. As you have learned that social divisions arise when there is inequality to a sect by the political parties, by the leaders, or by the government. There are various examples, like I will give you some examples. This can lead to conflict, violence, and even disintegration of a country. A country will disintegrate, it will be divided into divisions when political parties use such ideas that will bifurcate the people, that will make disintegration among the people, and similarly there will be different divisions. Firstly, we can take the example of Northern Ireland, where a religious divisions led to ethno-political conflict. Two major sects of Christianity, the Protestants and the Catholics, 53% Protestants and 44% Catholics dominate the country. The Catholics wanted Northern Ireland to join the Republic of Ireland, and the Protestants wanted to remain with UK. This led to years of violence, where thousands were killed. Only in 1998, the UK government and the nationalists reached a peace treaty and stopped all violence. These two groups, the Protestants and the Catholics, they divided the Ireland into two divisions. This was one of the example of social divisions caused by the politicians or the political parties. Now there is second example of Yugoslavia, where the political parties refused to accommodate each other. Ethno-religious group wanted to dominate the other, which resulted in disintegration of legislature, which resulted in disintegration of the people of the Yugoslavia. into 6 independent countries. We have some other examples as well, like Russia, one of the largest country in the world, which we see today. It has been divided into more than 35 states. Now these 35 states are the separate countries. Why this situation arise in the whole world? It is because different political parties have different agendas. They have different ideologies. They put forward their agenda and ideologies before the people, and they take the advantage of some weaknesses, of some religious ideas, of some economic perspectives, political ideologies for their selfish ends, to take the opportunity for the suppression of other political parties, and the result is clear that they divide the nation. My dear students, the need of the hour is, you see, we have the multi-party system in India. If such an ideology is prevented, if such an ideology is given boost, what will happen in our politics? What will happen in our economy, in our country, in our state? We see, we had in the past, we had some political parties. Now we have dozens of political parties. Why these dozens of political parties took place? It is only because they take the advantage of some sects, to take the advantage of some groups, and put forward their ideology before the public, and divide the nation. And this is a great threat for democracy. There must be the secularism, there must be the socialism, there must be the democracy. When we talk of a democracy, there must be a pure and perfect democracy, where everybody is given equal rights, where everybody is provided equal opportunities in every field of life, whether it is an educational field, whether it is political field, whether it is economic field, whether it is educational field, all the fields. There should be a true mechanism through which everybody should give opportunity, so that the country will prosper automatically, and nobody will fed up in the country. So, my dear students, this today's lesson gives us a message as well, that we should work together with an integration, so that democracy will flourish day by day. Otherwise, the present scenario of the country throughout the globe, it witnesses that throughout the globe we are seeing, and we will we will have to see in future as well, that there will be various these divisions there in the states, in the countries, and throughout the globe. So need of the hour is to channelize the democracy in a real spirit, so that nobody can be harmed. So, my dear students, this was today's topic. Let us go ahead inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.